Adding green to your abode makes it look much more invigorating than investing too much in unnecessary decorations that may make your house look superfluous. Growing healthy plants in your garden can only be made possible with healthy soil. But which one is better for your garden soil, mushroom compost versus cow manure? What is compost? Compost refers to organic materials that have been decomposed to provide nutrients to the soil during the growing season and at the same time, minimize food wastage. This step, called composting, is a relatively easy process to execute, assuming that you know which among the list is recommended for the process. Although compost equates to minimizing food waste, particular things are highly discouraged to be part of the process, like animals and milk products. Animal products take time to decompose, hence, they may serve as a breeding site for microbes, which invites diseases. Mushroom compost. Mushroom compost makes a good conditioning product for your garden soil, as it is organic and easy to find. There is a variation in the growing process for mushrooms, therefore, their composting process may differ from one another. You can buy mushroom spawn in the market or prepare it manually. A single bag of mushroom spawn is steam pasteurized to get rid of weeds that competes with your plants in absorbing nutrients from the soil and also to eradicate other harmful substances to your plants. The entire duration for mushroom composting normally takes about 3 to 4 weeks, with the temperature closely monitored to complete the process. After it has been completed, the leftover compost is utilized as a soil fertilizer. Advantages and disadvantages of mushroom compost. Mushroom compost is capable of providing nutrients to your plants at an affordable rate. In addition, it also allows your soil to further increase its water-holding threshold. Although mushroom compost is an ideal organic matter to use, you should be aware of where and when to use it due to its high salt level. Salt-sensitive plants like azaleas are not compatible with mushroom compost, while seedlings may also be affected by the high amount of salt. What is manure? This organic fertilizer is also capable of giving off nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to the soil. The animal waste used in manure processing is a cost-effective process that doesn't cause any pollution at all. Moreover, it's also capable of killing weeds and pests that disrupt the growth of plants. There are 3 different types of manure: green, compost, and farmyard. All 3 come from different sources, but primarily aim to provide nutrients to the soil for the plants to grow well. Cow manure. This manure serves as the most ideal dung for gardening. Cows eat mainly grass, so it's not unusual to see grass and grain in their manure. It isn't difficult to find, as there are several cows in the field that excretes from time to time. Composting manure is highly beneficial to plants, as it serves as an excellent culture bed for seeds, due to its high nutrient content. Although it's a good fertilizer, heavy manures, like those from cows, must be combined with light materials or ash/lime. Advantages and disadvantages of cow manure. Aside from providing a rich amount of nutrients from your crops and other forms of garden plants, it also increases the soil's water-holding capacity. That means you won't have to keep on watering your plant from time to time. Another advantage of using cow manure is that it improves ventilation for your plants. Composting cow manure will also promote the growth of good bacteria in the soil. Good bacteria hasten the absorption of nutrients by breaking the aforementioned down into simpler forms. On the other hand, manure or waste is considered a breeding site for bacteria like Escherichia coli, a pathogenic type of microbe. Aside from the presence of pathogenic bacteria in fresh cow manure, it also has a high concentration of ammonia that's harmful to your plants. Mushroom compost versus cow manure? Both products are excellent sources of nutrients for your soil. The soil ends up producing healthy plants. However, between both processes, going for mushroom compost is a better option due to its less tedious process. Albeit, you can still opt for composting cow manure to completely enjoy its benefits for your plants. In the end, choosing based on availability and cost plays a major role on your part. Conclusion. To produce healthy-looking plants, Mixing your soil with mushroom compost or cow manure is one of the ideal steps to consider. Both materials enrich your plant with enough nutrients to keep your plants healthy and increase water holding capacity. Both mushroom compost versus cow manure has their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it's all up to you what to choose based on the availability and budget. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.